Welcome to the PPE training module. Open the door and enter the PPE room.
Great. You have now entered the Personal Protective Equipment room. Let's begin the training. To learn more about PPE, proceed by selecting any item. Each selection will provide detailed information about its purpose and usage. Choose a mode based on your preference. Training mode offers guidance and information to help users select.
You have chosen training mode.
The Industrial PPE Selection Training equips participants with the skills to identify workplace hazards, select appropriate PPE, and use it effectively to ensure safety and
Select any one task from the list. Pick up the bodysuit and place it on the mannequin.
Flame-resistant clothing resists ignition and prevents fire from spreading.
Pick up the boots and place them on the mannequin.
Steel-toe boots protect the feet from falling objects and sharp materials. They are essential in hazardous workplaces like construction sites and factories.
Pick up the self-contained breathing apparatus and place it on the mannequin.
Self-contained breathing apparatus provides clean air in dangerous environments.
Pick up the helmet and place it on the mannequin.
G-Class helmets fall under the General Purpose category and provide protection against impact and.
Pick up the earmuffs and place them on the mannequin.
Earmuffs are protective devices that fully cover the ears to block out harmful noise. They create a noise-blocking seal around the ears and are designed with adjustable headbands to ensure.
Pick up the gloves and place them on the mannequin.
Heat-resistant gloves protect hands from burns, high temperatures, and open flames. They are commonly used in foundries, metalworking, and tasks involving molten materials.
Well done! You've successfully completed the PPE training for your selected task. Click Continue to begin another task. Select any one task from the list. Pick up the bodysuit and place it on the mannequin.
Full-body suits protect the entire body.
Pick up the boots and place them on the mannequin.
Steel-toe boots protect the feet from falling objects and sharp materials. They are essential.
Pick up the harness and place it on the mannequin.
Full-body harnesses secure workers during a fall by spreading force.
Pick up the earplugs and place them on the mannequin.
Earplugs are small, lightweight devices that help reduce loud noise and protect workers' hearing. They are especially useful in workplace.
Pick up the safety glasses and place it on the mannequin.
Safety glasses are designed to protect the eyes from dust, flying debris, and harmful materials that may be present in the work environment. They create a barrier that helps prevent eye injuries, making them essential.
Pick up the helmet and place it on the mannequin.
G-Class helmets fall under the General Purpose category and provide protection against impact and penetration.
Pick up the gloves and place them on the mannequin. Safety gloves protect hands from sharp objects and cutting tools, making them essential for tasks in construction, manufacturing, and glass handling. Well done! You've successfully completed the PPE training. Select any one task from the list.
You have chosen test mode.
Select any one task from the list. Please verify that all required PPE. You have just completed the PP. Please select correct answer. Question number 2, question number 3, question number 5. Here is your assessment.
Oh no! You didn't pass the test.